we just arrived yesterday.
Oh, yes.
So we just arrived yesterday from Kuala Lumpur,
Malaysia.
Malaysia, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur. We just did like one night,
One night.
one night, and then we just arrived yesterday.
Oh,
We spent two tickets Thailand, and after we are going
oh, Sulawesi is just
Sombong,
outside, you know.
sombong.
You
Raja Ampat.
Raja Ampat.
Oh,
Ah, before that.
so far from my hometown.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm in South Sulawesi.
so we're going there for diving.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yes. So we've been 2 times already in Indonesia. Norway.
Oh yeah. Actually, I want to try diving, but I cannot swim.
It's never too late to learn.
Oh,
Are you afraid? It's just because you don't hear from the WhatsApp
Huh?
or because you don't know what's happening. So when you wear a mask, you will see nothing is happening. It's not
Oh.
scary.
Yeah. Safety.
Yes.
It's
Just
not you.
someone has to teach you how to swim.
Oh yeah, actually.
Easy.
But easy.
Yes, diving is scuba diving. You know, you get like a bottle with oxygen inside, and you're going,
Yeah, you know.
you're going like 20 meters deep. And you're diving and swimming on the surface.
Yeah. Do you wanna sit with sit?
Oh, I'm sorry, but we have to go. So
Oh
the
yeah.
group is waiting for us.
Oh my god. And do you ever try the food in Indonesian?
Yes, of course. Nasi goreng, nasi goreng.
Oh my god, this my favorite food as well.
Really?
Yes.
Nasi goreng, goreng for breakfast.
Ah, oh, for breakfast?
Even for breakfast, yeah.
Oh, for breakfast I think suggest to eat nasi pecel.
So for us, it's more bread and jam. In France,
Yeah.
it's more sweet for
Ah.
breakfast. And nasi,
Oh, I didn't.
it's more sweet. Here you're eating more food for breakfast.
Oh.
So what's your like Indonesian food you ever tried?
Oh, I don't remember the name, but I like the green dessert. You know, it's like a crepe. You know, it's like waffle.
Oh, dadar gulung.
Yes,
Ah.
the green one with
Yeah.
coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah. Inside is
Good.
coconut, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Very sweet.
I love it.
Oh,
Super good.
you like sweet food?
Yes.
Gudeg. Gudeg from Jogja.
And we are going to do the kata tonight.
Oh, tonight. You must try. Do you want a candy? Yeah, this is sweet.
Thank you.
Sweet and fresh.
What's the name of it?
Gudeg. G-U-D-E-E-G. This is from Jackfruit. It's the
But it's
tradition.
rice, no?
Yes, if you wanna with rice, you can order the rice.
Oh, okay.
This is the this is the traditional food from Yogyakarta.
Okay, we will try tonight in Georgia.
Oh yeah, where will you from? Where will you from? Where will you go this night? In Malioboro?
I don't know.
Oh, because the famous place in Yogyakarta is Malioboro.
Oh, okay.
Malioboro. Maybe you can visit there to enjoy your night. Malioboro. Buy something. Bapia. But
Yeah,
yeah,
you can buy near from here.
we recommend it. This is sweet. I think you
Describe
will like Katia.
So many variants,
Okay.
like cheese, chocolate.
Good.
You visit Bali?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, for my the 6 days only. I think Nusa Nusa Lembongan. Oh no, Nusa Penida. It's far from here. We must plan ya.
We are flying to Denpasar first.
Oh yeah. Will you visit Tabi? It's a famous oh, beach. Can you surf?
No, I'm not good.
Oh, but you can.
I tried already, but not good.
Oh my God, so amazing!
Yes, you tried?
I'm afraid when I'm in the
Ah,
sea.
yes, you can see. You can see.
Oh.
You're afraid. First, you have to learn how to swim. And after you can dive, you can surf, you can do everything.
Can you swim, guys?
No.
No, sir.
For me, yeah, I can.
Oh, you
Yeah,
can.
I can swim.
You often go
Yeah,
to sea.
Yeah, villager.
Villager, no villager.
So, yeah, I always, what is that? Every morning, if my friends invite me to go swim, I always go there.
A river or
In
swimming
the
pool.
morning, afternoon.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
That's very
always.
nice.
So every day.
You often
So
do
I
that.
can swim well.
Oh, in the
So
sea
it
or
can teach you how to swim.
Yeah. You can
Oh.
teach us.
he teach us. It's so awkward, you know,
Yes.
because
You teach her how to swim, she will teach you how to cook.
Oh,
Good, no?
yeah, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
a good combination.
Good,
no?
yeah. Can you cook?
Yeah.
Oh my God. And you?
uh,
Little bit.
I really, what is that? I don't really like cooking.
Oh. But it's very important to know how to cook. That's the food outside.
But you're somebody.
For me, oh, it's French food.
What is that?
Of course.
French.
French food.
French food.
That's
Oh.
different.
Ah. I think you.
I don't know how to do nasi goreng.
Oh, I have.
Yes.
Like this. If you have rice and you can fry, and then you add the sauce and the ketchup and the salt, and this already easy.
Oh,
Easy for you.
Onion and garlic.
Garlic.
Little garlic.
and carrots too.
Carrots? I think no.
You can put it
If you want,
Hello, bro.
you can put
for additional.
for additional. Maybe you will add the chicken. Then it's okay.
Hey, what's the name of the dish we had yesterday? Was richa.
What is that?
Yeah.
Richa.
Richa.
Oh, richa.
Oh, chicken richa. Oh, what? Oh.
Very special style.
Oh my God.
Chicken, it's
Oh.
We don't use to. Lagi yang ini banyak?
Yeah.
Oh. Have you tried the hand of the chicken? No. It's so delicious. It's my favorite. Oh, do you ever try chicken? The hand with chili.
You like
Spicy
spicy
food.
Of course.
Very spicy.
Yes, I can.
So many spicy food in here.
Yeah, because
Yeah, people from Indonesia like spicy.
And we have a many types sambal.
oh, many types. Sambal mata. It's like just scallop, garlic, and chili, and we can cut like this and we fry. Yes.
Slice.
You slice. Thank you. you very much. And do you like spicy food?
Yeah, you can eat spicy food. In Thailand, we usually have spicy, but very chili.
Oh, because many people from France
Yeah,
prefer
when
to
we
sweet.
arrived, we are living in Thailand for 5 years now, and when we arrived, we didn't eat spicy food. And now we can eat it more because we are getting used to it.
Oh my God. Oh, do you know seblak?
So black,
Yes. Seblak is a famous food in Indonesia, right?
But for Indonesian, just woman, like,
Just woman.
woman,
Eat
like,
woman
not
food?
okay.
For men,
Can you describe? Can you describe the taste?
no, I don't like the
Why?
because yeah, it's what is that?
Because just
It's
crackers.
just
Boiled
crackers
crackers.
and the taste yeah just spicy,
Okay.
not only
No flavor, only spice.
yeah just spicy.
I think the taste
For
like
me.
noodle, but noodle change to crackers.
Boiled crackers.
Yeah, in Indonesia maybe just woman like
Because that is not health from our body.
yeah,
Ah.
it's not
I think in France better than in food in Indonesia, right? Because healthy food. Ah. It's like sandwich, right?
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Some vegetables.
Oh, every day? Do you eat vegetable every day?
Every day we eat noodle.
Yeah, we need noodle, you know. It's oh my god, my body is not health.
it's still morning and eat noodle.
Yeah, and Indonesian food like that, always noodle.
So many times noodle in Indonesia.
We've got to go, sorry.
Thank
Oh,
you for the conversation.
alright.
Thank you for the conversation.
Thank you.
Hopefully you will have your exam easily.
Oh, thank you very much.
Your English is good. You can
Thank you.
speak easily now.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you
Have a
very
nice
much.
day.
Terima kasih.
Thank you. Thank you.
What minutes? 12.